It's a 2015 Mazda CX-5. It's your ticket to a place of inspired design, superb performance, and one exhilarating drive. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: inline 4-cylinder engine, leather and metal look steering wheel, external memory control, air conditioning, doors and push-button start proximity key, voice activation, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and streaming audio. Car and Driver finds the CX-5 doesn't drive like any other existing compact SUV. It's more lively, more involving, more steeped in the sports car character that Mazda harps on about in its Zoom Zoom advertising. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.